In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy and sell on BloFin. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is sign into your account. And then from here, from your dashboard, you have a few ways to actually buy and sell. The most basic one is going to be to go to buy crypto, top left, and you want to click on buy and sell over here. Then, of course, you want to select buy and sell top left, and you have the option to then buy or sell. So you can just go ahead and basically select how much you want to spend and what you want to receive. And then from here, you can pick your payment method, add the card or whatever you want to pay with, and then you'll be able to do your payment and buy that way. You could also go and sell, so you can select what you want to spend, of course the crypto, and then what you'll receive, so euro, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, GBP, USD, whatever you want. And then down here you'll be able to basically find your payment methods. Now for me it says that this is currently unavailable. Of course in your case it's going to be likely available. Sometimes they do some updates, and of course this is temporarily unavailable or down, and then it comes back up, so that's not really a problem. You'll be able to see here there's going to be the option to buy and sell that way. But of course if you're trading, you can also buy and sell within the trading. If you go to spot over here, you can trade spot, futures, or anything similar. I'm gonna go to my demo trading over here just to show you how to actually buy and sell in there, because it's gonna be the same way as with real trading. So in here you essentially have to go and pick whatever you want to trade. So I'm gonna go up here, I'm gonna switch to spot, and let's just do Bitcoin, the basic one for this tutorial. You want to select if you want to buy or sell here in the top right in this trade tab, and then you can of course select the order type, limit, market, or any of these over here. Put in your amount and of course the limit price as well in case you select a limit order, and you can just hit the buy or sell buttons over here whenever you select your amount. Okay, so just like this you can of course buy and sell on BloFin. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.